Hi everyone, today we are making a delicious slow roasted lamb shank. Very simple to prepare, incredibly tender, and of course it's packed with Mediterranean flavor. Let's go! Well, I start by turning the oven on to 160 degrees. Then I prepare the Dutch oven, or large saucepan actually, that's pretty much the same thing, and it's on high heat. I add a grapeseed oil, not olive oil yet. And then I'm going to prepare the lamb. I'm going to rub the lamb with the big salt. It's like a massage actually. And of course you've got all the ingredients into the description below. I'm going to slice the shallots now. And yeah, you want to slice it roughly because it's going to cook during 2 to 3 hours. Okay, cool, I can add the lamb now. And yeah, I wanted to make this special recipe today because now it's almost summer here and you can find a lot of herbs outside. Then it smells good and yeah, why not adding them to a lamb shank. During that time I'm going to prepare the garlic. Those cloves of garlic are really big, then I just need 3 of them. And after peeling them, I'm removing the sprout. You see it's green. Of course I'm checking what I'm cooking. And then I heat it. It will help the garlic to develop the flavor while it will be simmering. Okay, good for the first one. And you can see the color, that's what you want actually. And after 4 to 5 minutes, we're good. Now I can add the olive oil and the shallots. The shallot will deglaze the brown beets too. I'm going to press an orange. We are going to prepare the sweet juice. Yeah, you see the slice I'm cutting. It will be used for the final plating. And of course, if you want more Mediterranean recipes, then just subscribe to the channel. I'm adding the honey, and the more brown the better, because at the end you want a brown sauce. And yeah, take your time, it's very important to whisk it well. You don't want some pieces of honey into your plate, of course. And then when the shallots are browned, I'll show you in a minute, you add the garlic. Yeah, you see the shallots are nicely caramelized, that's what we want. I put the lamb into it. A little pepper, and we don't want to add more salt because we already added some big salt on the lamb before, remember? Yeah, I forgot to add the lamb juices while it was resting. Now I'm adding the herbs. They are thyme and savory. You can even add rosemary, lavender. You can add a lot of herbs into this dish. And I cover everything with the orange juice. Right onto the herbs as well. It will take the flavor. And I put it into the oven during 2.5 hours to 3 hours at the maximum. That depends on the oven you have. And of course you want to wet it every hour with the lamb juice. Well, after 3.5 hours, it is ready. Yeah, beautiful braised, and I tell you this is tender. Now I'm going to pass the sauce, then I take a strainer. Beautiful, thanks to the brown honey and shallots and brown beets. Yeah, and you see it already has the texture. Wow, smells so good. And now we can add some salt, I mean after tasting it, of course. I remove the herbs. Yeah, even the dog is hungry. I'm chopping some parsley. Yeah, it will bring freshness to the plate. And this is it. Let's check together if it's tender. I will check with a spoon. And yeah, it is tender. Now you know how to make this tender melt in your mouth lamb chunk. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more Mediterranean recipes. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!